बाजा आया गीतों का खजाना लाया बैंड बाजा बैंड बाजा बैंड बाजा बाजा बैंड बाजा आया गीतों का खजाना लाया बैंड बाजा बैंड बाजा बैंड बाजा
Welcome to Band Baja Radio. आज का प्रोग्राम पेश करेंगे Sam, and hopefully Zay will be joining us soon, and Moin is busy. So as usual, we start the program by seeking the blessings and guidance of God. So in the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful, all praise is for God. And we pray for God for all his blessings, guidance in every step of our life. So आज बात करते हैं टोरंटो की वेदर की. आज तो लग रहा है टिपिकल अर्ली स्प्रिंग डे स्टार्ट हो चुका है. Still a little chilly, but especially in the shade, but pleasant when the sun is out. So I hope you all are enjoying the beautiful weather of Toronto. I'm missing Zay and Moin, so just bear with me. Hopefully, Zay will be joining me soon. I requested Zay कि आज मुझे अच्छे से गाने निकाल दो ताकि तुम तो I don't know whether you'll be able to make it. As you know, she's a very good lawyer and a very busy lawyer though. So hopefully she will join me. So आज we are live on Chin Radio. यहाँ का नंबर है 416-870-1007. So अगर आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करना है तो you can always call us at 416-870-1007. So आज जो है tonight ज़े ने जो मुझे गाने निकाल के दिए हैं, she brings you a special musical tribute to timeless beauty and grace of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. She's married, and she has a beautiful daughter, and whose songs and performance have captured hearts around the world. So she gained her first global attention after winning Miss World 1994. She also became a major star in India cinema and also internationally, especially in Bollywood. She's known for her beauty, grace, and strong performance. She also appeared in international films and is a regular face of the Cannes Film Festival. So ये जो इनके गाने लेके आई हैं ज़े, बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त गाने हैं. और the first song which I'm going to play is Dola Re Dola Re. आप सबने फिल्म देखी होगी देवदास. It's a grand classical dance number where Ash performed alongside Madhuri के साथ. The costume, the expression and choreography are legendary. So we listen to the first song and we'll come back to band. to Band Baja Radio. आज का प्रोग्राम पेश करिए Sam and Zay will be joining us soon, hopefully. So आज जो हम आपके लिए special musical tribute लेके आ रहे हैं, which is the timeless beauty and grace of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, whose songs and performance had captured heart around the world. आपने ये enchanting Dola Re from the classic Devdas का गाना सुना है, which is filled with elegance, tradition, and unforgettable dance. तो अभी हम थोड़े से I wanted to thank Darshan Bhai for collaborating with Band Baja Radio. Thank you so much, Darshan Bhai. And also I wanted to thank Richard. Richard, thank you so much. Richard is with us on the studio. Thank you, Richard. पहले बात कर लेते हैं कुछ क्लाइंटों की. So I want to bring New Smile. If you want $1 million smile, तो आप प्लीज न्यू स्माइल विजिट करें. डेंचर क्लिनिक, इट्स डॉक्टर कृष्ण है वहां पे, डेंचरिस्ट, और उनके पास 26 years of experience है. They specialize in complete dentures, partial dentures, implanted dentures, immediate dentures, flexible dentures, soft linings repairs, and teeth whitening. So please, if you want to get $1 million smile, go to New Smile. अब बात कर लेते हैं मोइन जमाल की. मोइन जमाल, as you know, he's a musicologist. वो तो पूरे गानों को dissect करके पेश करते हैं, which I am not capable of that, so I'm missing मोइन. और वो बहुत जबरदस्त गाने आपके लिए लेके आते हैं. And as today he's gone to do some jingle. आपको पता है मोइन ने 1000 jingle किए हैं टोरंटो में. He is a greatest artist I've ever seen. He's gifted, he writes, he composes, he does everything, sings. So he's very talented. So Moin is not available today because he's gone to the studio to do a jingle for his client. अब बात कर लेते हैं ITN की. ITN जो है वो trusted over 35 years. और ऐसे जबरदस्त मसाले उनके हैं. मिनार बासमती राइस जो कि लॉन्ग ग्रेन है, परफेक्ट फॉर एवरी डिश. और उनके स्पाइसेस तो क्या ही बताएं, मास्टरपीस आपकी डिशेस को कर देते हैं. तो अपने फेवरेट स्टोर पे जाइए, करीबी स्टोर पे, और उनके सारे प्रोडक्ट्स वहां पे अवेलेबल है. रूह अफ़ज़ा, वाह, रूह अफ़ज़ा तो अब आपको पता है कि गर्मियां आ रही हैं, क्या मजे की चीज है रूह अफ़ज़ा. उसको आप शरबत बनाएं, उसका दूध में डाल के पिए, बड़ा जबरदस्त होता है. और उनके अशोका पराठास. So trusted for over 35 years. Go to your nearest store और enjoy करें आप ITN के products. अब बात कर लेते हैं इंडिया बाजार की. इंडिया बाजार में इतनी स्पेशल डील्स चल रही हैं. शेर आटा उनका 1399 का है. ऑर्गेनिक शुगर 1 kg for 599 है. लक्ष्मी मस्टर्ड ऑयल 5 लीटर for 1999 है. वेजिटेबल ऑयल 3 लीटर for 999 है. और उनकी जो लेग फोल्डिंग एंड सेंटर फोल्डिंग बेड है वो $80 की है. सो कॉन्टेक्ट इंदर for 416-844-0971. Wow restaurant. Wow. Just wow. Wow restaurant. Arabic Mandi with देसी टच एंड स्पाइसेस. उनकी हलीम विद 2 नान बड़े मजे की है हलीम. ईरानी चाय उनका मजा लीजिए, कबाबों का मजा लीजिए. Call Danish at 647-916-6936, 647-916-6936. और दूसरी बात हम कर लेते हैं पिज्जा कराची की. पिज्जा कराची 55 लिबोविक एवेन्यू पे है. और उनकी बड़ी अच्छी डीलें भी चल रही थी. जबरदस्त उनकी खाने, ब्रोस्ट है और बड़े बड़े मजे के उनके जाके एंजॉय करें बर्गर्स और पिज्जा. और 55 लिबोविक एवेन्यू पे है ताजा टेस्ट रेस्टोरेंट. उनकी 2 लोकेशंस हैं, ब्रैम्पटन में और मिसिसागा में. और वो रात के 2 बजे तक खुले हैं. अगर आप बैंड बाजा का नाम लेंगे तो आपको 2 नान बिल्कुल फ्री मिलेंगे. Taza Taste Restaurant, 905-792-8866. Taza Taste Restaurant, 905-792-8866. जाके आप इनको एंजॉय करें, रात के 2 बजे तक खुले। हम लाइव हैं चिन रेडियो पे 100.7 पे। यहाँ का नंबर है 416-870-1007, 416-870-1007 पे। तो अभी हम थोड़े से अपने क्लाइंट के कमर्शियल सुनेंगे, उसके बाद we come back to the second songs and hopefully Zay will be here to present the second song. She brought these songs for you and these are lovely, lovely songs. Aishwarya, you know, she's a beauty queen. So we'll listen to some of our jingles.
एक से बढ़कर एक नई से नई डिशेस लिए देखो आ गया करी डिशेस रेस्टोरेंट। खाने में है आपकी जो भी विशेस पूरी कर देगा करी डिशेस रेस्टोरेंट। Every dish is a specialty. Hyderabadi biryani, chicken 65, nihari, bihari kebab and rock on chicken for the new generation. खाना जानदार है, जगह शानदार है, Curry Dishes Restaurant. Just east of McGowan on Shepherd, 416-546-6444. AK Albert Kamran, AK Albert Kamran. सबसे सस्ते सबसे बेहतर कॉन्डो ले या घर ले, AK Albert Kamran. Call AK Albert Kamran, real estate broker of Century 21's People's Choice Realty Inc. 416-602-3310. happyhomewithalbert.c21.ca. मिसिसागा में बेहद कामयाबी के बाद अब ब्रैम्पटन में सेकंड लोकेशन ताजा टेस्ट रेस्टोरेंट। ताजा टेस्ट का है ताजा ताजा मजा, ताजा टेस्ट का है ताजा ताजा मजा, ताजा टेस्ट रेस्टोरेंट। दिल्ली, कराची, लाहौर के मजेदार खाने। ताजा टेस्ट रेस्टोरेंट, लाहौरी चिकन छोले, मजेदार चिकन कढ़ाई, कबाब, टिक्के और बारबेक्यू आइटम्स। ताजा यानी मजेदार, ताजा टेस्ट रेस्टोरेंट। Second location in Brampton at the intersection of Torbram and Steeles, 905-792-8866. आटा, चावल, दाल, मसाले, आपके पसंद के सारे ब्रांड्स और सबसे सस्ते दाम at Athias Fresh Farm. It's the big one, Athias Fresh Farm. 22,000 square feet grocery store with a 5,000 square feet hand-slaughtered halal meat section. आपकी पसंदीदा groceries और ताजा फल और सब्जियों से लदा भरा हुआ। ताजा ताजा फल, कितनी ताजा ताजा सब्जी और सबसे सस्ते दाम at Athias Fresh Farm. On Kennedy between Elsmere and Lawrence, 416-831-7822. किस्मत से ही मिलता है तेजपाल सिद्धू, यस तेजपाल सिद्धू, तेजपाल सिद्धू। हर इलाके में कॉन्डो हो या घर, रियल्टर तेजपाल सिद्धू will get you at the best price and the best deal. Excellent on both residential and commercial. Sacha Realtor, Acha Realtor, Tejpal Sidhu, Sutton Group Realty Experts Inc. 416-627-9313. बैंड बाजा आया, गीतों का खजाना लाया। बैंड बाजा, बैंड बाजा, बैंड बाजा, बैंड बाजा आया, गीतों का खजाना लाया। बैंड बाजा, बैंड बाजा, बैंड बाजा।
Welcome to Band Baja. आज का शो प्रेजेंट कर रही हैं ज़ैनब और
Zay and Sam. Welcome, Zay. I was missing you.
Hello.
I was so lonely without you.
We are live on Chin FM 100.7, Sam. And I think we're talking about Aishwarya Rai today.
Yes, you picked up on all the songs and I'm so excited to present it. And I was so lonely without you.
Well, I'm here now.
No, thank you
Okay,
so much.
so let's talk about Aishwarya Rai a little bit.
Yeah.
So, Sam, Aishwarya Rai is a global icon before global was trendy. So she won Miss World 1994 and turned that into a global career. One of the first Bollywood actors to become a mainstream international face.
Yes.
Regular at Cannes Film Festival long before it became influencer heavy.
Yes.
So she is a Bollywood royalty, but she also has crossover appeal. So she's known for her films like Devdas, Hum, Dil De Chuke Sanam, and Dhoom 2. So she's balanced art house prestige and big commercial hits. Successfully crossed into Hollywood with films like Bride and Prejudice.
Yeah, I saw that movie, Pride and Prejudice. Yes.
She's the most beautiful woman in the world, and she definitely holds true to that narrative. She's constantly labeled by global media shaped beauty standards for years. Green eyes and classical features become instantly recognizable worldwide. And then let's talk about her marriage a little bit and her public appeal. So she's married to Abhishek Bachchan, which has kept her in the constant spotlight because she's now part of the iconic Bachchan family. So basically Bollywood royalty.
Yes.
So she's gotten a lot of media attention around relationships, motherhood, and career choices. She's a longtime ambassador for brands like L'Oreal, and she's maintained relevance across decades, rare in any film industry, but she still trends she's still very trendy whenever she appears publicly, especially with the Cannes looks.
Yeah, and she has a beautiful daughter, and
she does.
She's a very good mother too. That's what I heard. Yeah, she's a good mother, good wife, and good bahu.
Yeah, and we're on our second song.
Yes, we go to.
So the second song is, I think, a total shift from the first song. So this song is playful, flirty, and confident. It's dancing with Abhishek Bachchan, her husband, and Amitabh Bachchan, her father-in-law. So it's one of Bollywood's most iconic item songs without feeling over the top. She shows that she can be fun and a little mischievous. So we'll move to the second song.
उस जालिम ने चौक पर हमने कलेजा रख दिया चाकू की नोक पर बवाल हो गया और राइटर फैल गया दिन दिन तनक 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 दिन कड़दा कड़क दिन दिन तनक दिन दिन तनक दिन दिन तनक दिन तनक दिन धातर गिड़दा कड़दा कड़क दिन दिन तनक दिन कड़दा 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 ता 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 धूम मेरा चैन वैन सब उजड़ा जालिम नजर हटा ले मेरा चैन वैन सब उजड़ा जालिम नजर हटा ले बर्बाद हो रहे हैं जी बर्बाद हो रहे हैं जी तेरे अपने शहर वाले मेरा चैन वैन सब उजड़ा जालिम नजर हटा ले बर्बाद हो रहे हैं जी तेरे अपने शहर वाले मेरी अंगड़ाई ना टूटे तू आजा मेरी अंगड़ाई ना टूटे तू आजा
कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना ओ कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना
हो मेरे नैना जुड़वा नैना
ओ कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना
Welcome back to Band Baja Radio. You're live with Zay and
Sam.
Okay, Sam, you wanted to discuss a few things.
Yeah. First, I wanted to discuss law.
Mm-hmm.
You are a very excellent immigration lawyer.
Thank you, Sam.
Sometime, I get the opportunity to ask you a couple of questions.
Yes, Sam.
And as we know, you are very trusted and experienced immigration lawyer with a very, very successful record. And you are from Harvard.
Thanks, Sam.
And I really appreciate you taking out time with such a busy schedule. Really,
Anything
thank you
for
so
you.
much. And you bring such lovely songs.
Thank you.
And of course, Moin also, but Moin is, busy. He's making a jingle.
Yeah.
So, you help the clients come to, you're a bridge to Canada.
Thank
That's
you.
your slogan.
Thanks, Sam.
Bridge to Canada. So in regards to immigration, can you describe what do you do for the people, and from which countries do you get their immigration done, and also for them to get visitor visas, study permits, all kind of immigration. So can you talk a little bit about that? I'll really appreciate it.
Sure, yeah. So my specialization is in economic immigration. So I specialize in assisting people get permanent residency through our economic streams like Express Entry and PNP programs, but also all other various types of applications like work permit, study permit, visitor visas, as you said. If you have a previous refusal and you need assistance with that, we help with that too. And then our firm largely does all areas of immigration. So whether it's sponsorships, humanitarian, if you need to do an appeal, if you need a federal court, judicial review, refugee claims. So we do everything, but I specifically specialize in economic.
And also, you also do other types of immigration as well.
Yes, our firm does, yes.
And you also do, okay. So for that reason, if anybody needs any advice from you,
yes,
or consultation, whom should they contact?
Sam.
What's the number?
You tell me, Sam.
647-588-7198, 647-588-7198.
Thanks, Sam.
And I wanted to talk a little bit about medical school.
Yes, please do.
If your children wants to pursue a career in medicine, becoming a doctor, that is one of the best profession, like lawyers, doctors. So if you want, I have an excellent contact with the medical school.
Yes.
And, the most important thing is that you pass your medicine exams in 2 years.
Yeah.
And for the Canadian, there is also a scholarship.
Right, that's right.
And also, if you have not done your undergraduate in science subjects, then they fast track you.
Correct.
So no MCAT required.
That's right, Sam.
So that's an excellent opportunity for the parents, for the children, if you want to pursue a career in medicine, because doctors, tell me about the immigration. There's a shortage of labor market.
Yeah, labor market shortage of doctors right now, Sam. So there's specific category-based draws under Express Entry that target doctors.
Okay, perfect. So, there's a shortage of doctors as well. So
correct.
Pursue your career in medicine.
Yeah.
And for that, also contact Sam.
Yeah.
647-588-7198. Sam is there to help you because, I really, really admire children who wants to pursue their career in medicine.
Absolutely.
And let's talk about...
Let's go to the next song, no, Sam? Or you want to discuss something else first?
No, I wanted to discuss something about JSS.
Oh, yes. Go ahead.
आप एक सपना देखें, हम उसे घर बना देंगे.
Beautiful.
And a lot of unbelievable advantages हैं. इसमें 95% government funding है, and you only pay 5%, and 50 years of amortization है, or cash flow immediately available है. You can rent out the place. Credit score is not required.
Right.
Oh my God, that's such a problem in Canada. Even to get a car,
absolutely,
you have to have a good credit
everything.
Score. So, unko nahi zarurat. So for that, contact Mr. Moin Jamal, 416-839-6040, 416-839-6040.
Okay. Let's go to the third song, Sam. So this song was Aishwarya Rai's boldest, most modern transformation. She shows an edgy styling, sharper attitude, high energy choreography. So this is Aishwarya stepping away from perfect beauty into something more fierce. So people weren't used to seeing her like this, and that's why this song is a hit. Oh. So let's move to the third song.
Sexy lady on the floor, keep you coming back for more. Sexy lady on the floor, keep you coming back for more. चोरी चोरी किया रे, दिल ये दिल लिया रे. चोरी चोरी किया रे, दिल ये दिल लिया रे. जादू से जादू किया रे. जागे सोई रहूं, खोई खोई रहूं. उसकी यादों में, उसके ख्वाबों में झूमे जिया रे. Crazy किया रे, crazy किया रे, crazy किया रे. Oh crazy, crazy किया रे, crazy किया रे, crazy किया रे, crazy किया रे. Oh crazy, crazy किया रे. ना उसको पता, ना उसकी हता, मैं उस पे मर गई. जरा उसको पता, ना उसको पता, ना उसकी हता, मैं उस पे मर गई. जरा उसको पता. धीरे धीरे इकरार में, कभी कभी इंतजार में, उसके ही प्यार में छुए जिया रे. Crazy किया रे, crazy किया रे, crazy किया रे. Oh crazy, crazy किया रे.
You're listening live to Band Baja Radio on Chin FM 100.7 with Zay and
Sam.
Feel the rhythm of the night, baby, baby. Move it on, groove all night, crazy, crazy. Feel the rhythm of the night, baby, baby. Move it on, groove all night, crazy, crazy. मैं यहाँ भी गई, मैं वहाँ भी गई. सोचा पल पल उसे, मैं जहाँ भी गई. मैं यहाँ भी गई, मैं वहाँ भी गई. सोचा पल पल उसे, मैं जहाँ भी गई. दिन हो या रात हो, वो मेरे साथ हो. जब उसकी बात हो, झूमे जिया रे. Crazy किया रे, crazy किया रे, crazy किया रे. Oh crazy, crazy किया रे. Sexy lady on the floor, keep you coming back for more. चोरी चोरी किया रे, दिल ये दिल लिया रे.
welcome back to Band Baja Radio. You're live with Zay and
Sam.
Sam. You wanted to talk about our clients a little bit.
I wanted to thank Richard. Richard, you are with us on studio. Thank you so much, Richard, for bringing this program with us. And I also wanted to thank Mr. Darshan Bhai for collaborating with Band Baja Radio and Geetmala. Thank you, Darshan Bhai. And now I want to talk a little bit about Mr. Moinuddin Jamal. Mr. Jamal, we are missing you. I know you're busy with the jingle. You're doing a great work, creative work. And we are excited to hear your new jingle hopefully
Absolutely.
soon. I know it's a very creative process. So अगर आपको किसी किस्म का अपने आप को ब्रांड बनाना है या कोई प्रोडक्ट या सर्विसेज है आपके पास उसको ब्रांड बनाना है तो आप प्लीज मोइन जमाल को कांटेक्ट करें. ही इज एक्सीलेंट इन हिज क्रिएटिविटी. वो आपको ब्रांड बना देते हैं with his
Absolutely.
creative input. वो
Yes.
कॉपी खुद लिखते हैं, जिंगल खुद कंपोज करते हैं, गाते भी खुद हैं. ही इज रियली मल्टी टैलेंटेड. सो कॉल मिस्टर मोइन जमाल 4168396040 अगर आपको ब्रांड बनना है.
Absolutely.
और दूसरी बात, अगर आपको किसी किस्म की मॉर्गेज चाहिए उसमें भी मोइन अपने क्लाइंट्स को बहुत हेल्प करते हैं. He gets a very good rate, बैंक का रेट दिलाते हैं.
Yes, he does.
आजकल तो आपको पता है क्या महंगाई है, so he gets a very very good mortgage. So उसके लिए भी आप मिस्टर मोइन जमाल को कांटेक्ट करें 4168396040.
Thanks, Sam.
अब थोड़ा सा और बात कर लें क्लाइंटों की.
Yes, please go ahead.
एक ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल मेरी तरह की.
Love it.
$1 million स्माइल.
Love it.
अगर आपको $1 million स्माइल चाहिए तो न्यू स्माइल के पास जाइए. उनकी डेंचर क्लिनिक है, क्रिश्चियन द डेंचरिस्ट. बहुत जबरदस्त आपके डेंचर्स बनाएंगे और आपको एक ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल देंगे. 26 years of experience है उनके पास. वो स्पेशलाइज करते हैं कंप्लीट डेंचर्स में, पार्शियल डेंचर्स में. अभी तो मुझे जरूरत नहीं है मगर मुझे जरूरत पड़ेगी तो मैं इधर ही जाऊंगी. पार्शियल डेंचर्स की, इम्प्लांटेड डेंचर्स की, इमीडिएट डेंचर्स की, फ्लेक्सिबल डेंचर्स की, सॉफ्ट लाइनिंग रिपेयर्स, टीथ वाइटनिंग. टीथ वाइटनिंग तो सबको जरूरत होती है.
I want to do that.
Yeah, he's really good. So I'm going to visit him. और मैं फ्यूचर की अपनी बात करूंगी कि मुझे आप प्लीज अभी से डेंचर बुला दें. 4167464500 आप उन्हें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं 4167464500 पे. अब बात कर लेते हैं वाओ रेस्टोरेंट. वाओ रेस्टोरेंट के खाने बड़े जबरदस्त हैं. अरबिक मैंडी है उनकी विद देसी टच एंड स्पाइसेस है. हलीम बड़े मजे की है विद 2 नान. ईरानी चाय एंड कबाब. Irani chai and kebab. Call Danish at 647-916-6936. 647-916-6936. इंडिया बाजार में बड़ी जबरदस्त स्पेशल डील्स चल रही हैं. मैंने उनकी ये देखनी है जरूरी. लेग फोल्डिंग एंड सेंटर फोल्डिंग बेड.
Yes.
$80 का.
Love
I have to see this. और उनको अगर आप और बहुत सी अच्छी खानों की डीलें चल रही हैं, बहुत जबरदस्त है. मोइन बता रहे थे उनके फ्रूट्स बहुत जबरदस्त हैं.
Love it.
वेजिटेबल्स बिल्कुल फ्रेश हैं.
Great.
और बहुत बड़ा है इंडिया बाजार. इधर भी आपको ITN के प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं.
Oh, wow. That's great.
Yeah, so contact Inder at 416-844-0971, 416-844-0971. और अगर आपको पिज्जा का दिल कर रहा है या बर्गर का दिल कर रहा है या ब्रोस्ट का दिल कर रहा है तो आप पिज्जा कराची विजिट करें. 55 लिबोविक एवेन्यू पे है. और ITN is all trusted for 35 years there. And उनके बड़े मजे के खाने हैं. They make every dish a masterpiece. उनके स्पाइसेस बड़े मजे के देसी स्पाइसेस हैं. लॉन्ग ग्रेन बासमती राइस है फॉर एवरी डिशेस. और रूह अफ़ज़ा तो मेरा फेवरेट है वो. और उनके पास अशोका पराठा है. तो आप प्लीज अपने करीबी स्टोर पे जाइए और ये सब चीजें लीजिए और मेक योर डाइनिंग टेबल अ मास्टरपीस.
Love it.
ओके. और अगर आपको इमिग्रेशन चाहिए तो आप मुझे कांटेक्ट करें एट 647-588-7198. Get professional help with a trusted and experienced immigration lawyer with a strong success record. Zay is here. अगर आपको कोई सवाल पूछना है, you can call us. We are live. 416-870-1007. 416-870-1007. Zay is here. If you want to consult her, you can call her right now.
Okay.
If you need visitor visa, study permits, work permits, permanent residence, किसी किस्म का भी आपको वीजा चाहिए तो आप प्लीज हमें कॉल कर
Thanks,
सकते हैं. सैम को 647-588-7198.
Okay, Sam, let's move to our next song. So this song is early Aishwarya, where she was vibrant, expressive, and full of energy.
Wow.
So this song has a strong folk influence, Sam. Lots of personality in her expressions. And this is where audiences first saw her real screen charm. She's less polished here, but more alive. And that's what made this song very memorable. So we'll move to our fourth song. Welcome back to Band Baja Radio. You're live on Chin FM 100.7 with Say and
Sam, और यहाँ का नंबर है 416-870-1007.
Sam, let's talk about who Aishwarya Rai actually is beyond just the headlines.
Yes.
So Aishwarya is an Indian actress. She's a model, and she is one of the most recognizable faces globally.
Miss World, you know?
Yes. So she was born in Mangalore, raised in Mumbai, India, and she's not from the film family originally.
Oh, wow. Wow.
So her success, she really made it on her own. She started in architecture school, both before pivoting to modeling. And the turning point in her life went from Miss World to when she went to superstardom. So she won Miss World in 1994, and it wasn't just a title for her. It was her entry into global fame. So unlike many pageant winners, she converted that into a serious acting career. Early on, she was seen as too perfect, and she had to prove she could actually act. So what she's known for as an actress is that she is strong in emotional, dramatic roles, especially period films. So she's known for her grace, her expressions, and screen presence more than edgy roles. So directors often cast Aishwarya as an ideal woman, elegant, composed, and she's a tragic romantic.
Oh,
So
tragic romantic.
yeah, so her public persona is that she comes across as extremely polished, diplomatic, and media trained. She's rarely ever controversial, and she's known for always saying the right thing publicly. Some people see that as classy, and others think that she's a little too guarded and distant.
Oh, no, she's classy.
Yeah.
And I like her beauty.
She's gorgeous. So in her personal life, she's, as we know, married to Abhishek Bachchan, and that keeps her tied to Bollywood's most famous family. They're really known as like Bollywood's royalty family.
Yeah.
And so she's really taken a step back from her career after she became a mother, and then she's been returning more selectively. Why she still matters today is because she is still a global beauty reference point decades later.
And she goes to Cannes.
She does. Every Cannes appearance trends, even now. And she represents a time when stardom felt more untouchable and less social media driven.
L'Oreal, she's on face of L'Oreal.
Yep.
Yeah.
So she's not just famous. She's one of those rare celebrities where the idea of her is just as big as her actual work.
Yeah. And I saw her Devdas. It was so beautiful. And the way she acted.
Yeah, we played the Devdas song, right? The first song. The first song we played. Okay, so the next song is soft, romantic, effortless beauty moments. More than presence it's more about presence than performance. She's not doing too much, and that's the point. This is where her natural charm carries the whole song.
Oh, really?
Yep. So we'll move to the fifth song.
दिल डूबा नीली आंखों में ये दिल डूबा महबूबा महबूबा बस ये जान ले महबूबा दिल डूबा नीली आंखों में ये दिल डूबा महबूबा महबूबा बस ये जान ले महबूबा आशिक हूँ दीवाना हूँ तेरे लिए कुछ भी कर जाऊंगा इश्क में तेरे जीता हूँ तेरे लिए ही मर जाऊंगा
मैं तेरे छाव से मैं न आऊंगी अरे दीवाने जा क्यों ऐसी तैसी बना के बातें मुझे न तू उलझा रे
मिट जाऊंगा दिल तेरा जीत के दिखलाऊंगा पीछा ना छोड़ूंगा चाहे जितना तड़पा दिल डूबा नीली आंखों में ये दिल डूबा महबूबा महबूबा बस ये जान दे महबूबा
बड़ी तड़प है बड़ी कशिश है मेरी तो चाहत में हजार मजनू बने हैं पागल मेरी मोहब्बत में
तुझे एक दिन जाने मन प्यार की लड़ियां पहनाऊंगा देखेगा सारा जहां तुझे ले जाऊंगा दिल डूबा आशिक हूँ दीवाना हूँ तेरे लिए कुछ भी कर जाऊंगा
Welcome back to Band Baja. You're live with Zay and
Sam.
Sam, you wanted to talk a little bit more about our other clients?
Yeah, I just wanted to mention about Taza Taste Restaurant. Taza Taste Restaurant is open till 2 in the night, and they have 2 locations in Brampton and 1 in Mississauga. वहाँ आप अगर बैंड बाजा का नाम लेंगे तो 2 नान आपको फ्री मिलेंगे हलीम निहारी बिरयानी कुछ भी आप लीजिए चिकन टिक्का बारबेक्यू आइटम बड़े मजे मजे के खाने हैं उनका नंबर है 9057928866 9057928866
Love
और
it.
अगर आपको इमिग्रेशन चाहिए तो मुझे कांटेक्ट करें Zain is here
Thank you so much, Sam.
588-7198
Sam, our next song is quiet, understated, and it's a soft, romantic energy. It relies on eye contact, subtle expressions, not a big drama. Feels more real and grounded compared to Ashreya's grand roles. It's a different side of her, less spectacle, more intimacy. So that's our 6th song.
wow
हल्की हल्की मुलाकातें थी दूर दूर से बातें थी हल्की हल्की मुलाकातें थी दूर दूर से बातें थी धीरे धीरे क्या हो गया है मैं क्या कहूँ क्यों लड़खड़ाई धड़कन क्यों थरथराए तन मन क्यों होश मेरा यूं खो गया है मैं क्या कहूँ क्यों लड़खड़ाई धड़कन क्यों थरथराए तन मन क्यों होश मेरा यूं खो गया है मैं क्या कहूँ
कुछ ना कहो कुछ ना कहो कुछ ना कहो कुछ ना कहो सब मेरे दिन सब रातें तुम्हारे ख्यालों में रहते हैं गुम कहनी है तुमसे जो बातें बैठो जरा अब सुन भी लो तुम क्या मेरे ख्वाब है क्या है मेरी आरज़ू तुमसे ये दास्तां क्यों ना कहूँ रूबरू
कुछ ना कहो कुछ ना कहो कुछ ना कहो कुछ ना कहो जज्बात जितने हैं दिल में मेरे ही जैसे हैं वो बेज़बां जो तुमसे मैं कह ना पाई कहती है वो मेरी खामोशियाँ सुन सको तो सुनो वो जो मैंने कहा नहीं सच तो है कहने को अब कुछ रहा नहीं
कुछ ना कहो कुछ ना कहो कुछ ना कहो कुछ ना कहो
हल्की हल्की मुलाकातें थी
दूर दूर से बातें थी
धीरे धीरे क्या हो गया है मैं क्या कहूँ
क्यों लड़खड़ाई
धड़कन क्यों थरथराए
तन मन
क्यों होश मेरा यूं खो गया है
मैं क्या कहूँ
कुछ ना कहो कुछ ना कहो
कुछ ना कहो
You're listening to Band Baja Radio with Zay and
Sam, and we are missing Moeen.
So Sam, you know, Aishwarya Rai's songs, they weren't just about dance. Each one of them felt like a different version from her. From classical elegance to playful to bold, she completely stripped back emotion. She kind of did every version of stardom.
Oh, really? No, she did like a couple of movies I've seen her, and she's a very, very good performance.
Yeah, she's beautiful. She's a longtime ambassador for brands like L'Oreal, and she's maintained relevance across decades, which is rare in the film industry.
Yeah.
She still trends wherever she appears publicly, especially through her Cannes looks.
Mm.
So you'll see that
The
she
way
still has
she
a really big
dresses up,
presence.
Such a nice way, the way she dresses up.
Yeah. So, Sam, we're going to move to our last song and say goodbye to our listeners for tonight, and we'll see them again tomorrow.
Yes.
But before we sign off, I just want to talk about our last song. So this is one of her most most emotional songs. She has chemistry with her now husband, Abhishek Bachchan, and it just feels very natural and grounded. It strips away the glam, and this is more about the connection and feeling. It shows her strength in a quieter, deeper moment.
Okay, so can we talk a little bit more about her? The Bachchan's family.
Yeah, so they're obviously known as royalty in Bollywood. So when she became a part of that family, you know, her stardom went to even the next level. And that's really what keeps her relevant even today. So even though she's taken a step back from stardom and from doing movies after she became a mother, you know, being married to Abhishek Bachchan, it's really kept her in constant spotlight. So being part of the iconic Bachchan family is basically being part of Bollywood's royalty.
Okay, so before we go to the next song, we want to thank all our listeners and enjoy the beautiful weather of Toronto and go for a walk, because I think it's a little chilly. You have to have a little bit of cardigan or something.
But it's beautiful outside today, really.
Beautiful outside, and I can see it's a first, like a spring is in the air.
Yeah, definitely.
And hopefully we'll see you tomorrow with Moeen and Zay and Sam.
Sounds good. Thanks, Sam. And with that, have a wonderful evening, and we'll see you all tomorrow.
See.
सजना तेरे बिना बेसुआदी रहतिया ओ सजना हो रुखी रे कांटू रे काटे कटे ना तेरे बिना बेसुआदी रहतिया ओ सजना तेरे बिना बेसुआदी रहतिया ओ सजना हो sa sarga rega ma ga ma ga re sa sa ni sa da pa ma ga ga ma ba da ma ga ma re ga ba ba da ni sa pa ma ga ba ba da ni sa pa ma ga ma ba ni da ba ma ga ma चाकरी के मारे ना जा सौतन पुकारे सवाल आएगा तो पूछेगा ना जा रे फीकी बेसुआदी रतिया काटू रे कटे ना अब तेरे बिना सजना काटे ना काटे ना तेरे बिना बेसुआदी रतिया ओ सजना